Hi, today we're going to install Screenfetch, ZSH, and FISH in Android using termux. So let's search for a package Screenfetch. Okay, it's there. Let's install it by adding Screenfetch. Okay, then let's also install another shell called a fish. Let's install another one which is called ZSH shell. Let's clear the screen by hitting Ctrl and L and increase the font. Then let's type Screenfetch. It is going to give us the details of this mobile, which is Android 12 with the RAM of that much and the name of the CPU and the GPU. Okay, let's change from the current shell to ZSH, and this is how it looks. So now let's change to fish. So fish looks like this, and if you want to go back to bash, type bash and we're back into bash. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.